Hi everyone, I want to share these 5 free patterns with you. They are all easy to follow tutorials. Let's jump right in. This cute Christmas cat is beginner friendly. The pattern is easy to read and follow. It is just too cute. There is a little tail in the back too. It is great to make as a gift. I made one for my daughter and it was a hit. The link to this pattern is in the description. It is a downloadable PDF. Next up is this adorable little chubby penguin. It also makes a cute gift. This pattern is great for beginners too. The website is linked in the description. There is a video tutorial available. It works up so quickly. Perfect for those last-minute handmade gifts. This free pattern can be found on Ravelry. Check the description for the link. They are easy to make and work up quickly. Make as many as you want. You can try it with any color you like. Let me know in the comments what patterns you would like to see next. This is an easy and quick snowflake pattern. Find the link in the description. Beginner-friendly and very clear instructions. And last but not least, this adorable snowflake. It is a bit more detailed than the previous one. It has a video tutorial and is easy to follow. Be sure to give it a try, and let me know how it goes in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. That way you won't miss any of my videos. Thank you for watching. If you like relaxing content, make sure you check out my other channel.